angry. Of course it is.
Good morning, honey. Would you like some pancakes?
No, Mom, your pancakes are gross.
But I thought you loved my pancakes.
Yeah, well, I lied.
That is no way to talk to your mother. Hey, bestie.
Can I help you?
Why are you being so rude?
Look, I'm just really angry today, okay?
Yeah, anyway, does my outfit look cute?
No, you look terrible.
Giselle, can you give me the answer to number 7?
You're the teacher. Aren't you supposed to know the answer?
For that smart remark, 1 week detention.
Whatever.
Make that 2 weeks. Hey, I'm new here. Could you please show me around?
What do I look like to you, a tour guide?
I was just wondering.
Yeah, we'll go wander somewhere else.
Your emotion is anger, isn't it?
So?
You could use some of this.
Don't touch me.
Ew. Happy birthday, sweetie.
Thank you, Grandpa.
Honey, wait. You'll have to wait until you're 18 to open it.
But why can't I open it now?
Because this is a special gift. You have to wait, okay? Happy 12th birthday, sweetie.
Thanks, Grandpa. Can I open my gift now?
No, I tell you every year. You have to wait until you turn 18 to open it, okay?
Okay.
Happy 15th birthday.
Thank you.
Guess what?
What?
Only 3 years left and then you get to open your gift.
Yeah, I guess.
Giselle, you're 18 tomorrow. You'll finally be able to open your gift. Are you excited?
I don't know. I mean, I've been waiting for so long. I don't even know if I want to open it.
You have to, and you need to let me know what it is as soon as you open it.
Yeah, I will.
Happy 18th birthday, honey. You get to open it.
Grandpa, what is this?
Maybe you should jump in, or maybe you could scream it. Might be best to keep it.
Happy 18th birthday. You can open it now.
Grandpa, what is this?
Sweetie, I don't feel so good.
Grandpa, are you okay?
Just go call an ambulance, please.
Hi, yes, 911? It's my grandpa.
We'll be there as fast as we can. Just sit tight. Excuse me, miss. Are you Giselle?
Hi, yes, my grandpa. Is he gonna be okay?
I'm so sorry, sweetie. We did everything we could. He's gone. I'm really sorry about your grandpa.
Thanks.
At least you got to open your gift with him.
My gift? Yeah.
So, what was it?
I don't really know. It's a note.
Well, if it was a note, I really think you should go read it.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, honey, are you fully charged?
Yep. I'm all charged up.
Don't forget to take your charger.
Oh, right. Thanks. I'm going to school. Bye.
Hey, Giselle.
Hey, Rachel.
Can I borrow your charger real quick?
I don't know if that's a good idea. We're not supposed to borrow each other's chargers.
But I'm running low. Come on, please.
Okay, just this once. Here you go.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver. I'm done. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hey, Mom, I'm home.
You didn't borrow your charger to anyone, did you?
No, of course I didn't.
Okay, hun, just making sure.
Okay, I'm a little low. I think I need a charge. Rachel? Rachel, there you are.
Is something wrong?
Thanks a lot, Rachel. Thanks a lot. Thanks to you, my charger's not charging on my iPad because it's...
I need to go on a date with my soulmate. I need to make sure I look perfect. Hey, do you have some makeup for me? Specifically foundation. I'm going on a date with my soulmate and I need to look flawless.
Yeah, the best by SheGlam.
Okay, great. Let me try it. No way. This is literally covering everything. Oh my gosh, look at the difference.
I told you it was the best.
I'm gonna go finish getting ready. And I'm done. Wow, this is the best foundation I've ever used. My skin has never looked better.
Are you ready for that date?
Yep, I'm ready. he's here.
Mommy, when will I be able to go outside?
Once you turn 18, sweetie.
But I want to go outside now.
No, you can only go outside when you're 18. That's the rule.
Hey, Mom, can I go outside?
Are you 18 yet?
No.
Then no, you can't. What's with the long face, hun?
Mom, how come we're supposed to follow this stupid rule? I just want to go outside.
Stop with this outside nonsense. You know the rules.
Yeah, but why?
I said that's enough. Go to your room.
I just don't get it. What could be so dangerous about going outside? I guess I'm just gonna have to find out for myself.
I'm gonna go grab some stuff from the store. Do you need anything?
No, Mom, I'm good.
You're not planning on doing anything, are you?
No, I'm just gonna watch TV.
Okay, I'll see you when I get back.
Okay, she's gone.
What?
So, this is your ATM?
Yarp.
But you don't have a bank account.
Norp.
Well, then how'd you get an ATM card?
I don't have an ATM card.
Well, then how are you getting money out of an ATM machine?
The tones.
The tones?
The tones.
Okay, we keep saying the tones, but I still have no idea what the tones means.
Push the buttons.
Wow.
See? Every time you press one of those number buttons, you can hear a beep.
And this is big news there in your bunny brain?
Well, yeah.
Okay, sweetie, what does it say?
Mine says famous.
That's probably an error. You don't have what it takes.
Hey, Mom, I'm off to school now.
Study hard so you can make something of yourself.
I don't understand, though. It says I'm gonna be famous. Why do I have to worry about school?
I told you it's not possible. Now do as I say and study hard.
Okay.
Everybody agrees, everybody.
I feel so bad for her. She's so talentless. I can't believe she actually thinks she'll be famous. Giselle, what are you doing?
I'm getting ready for my audition, Mom. Will you please take me?
I already told you enough. I'll take you. Come get in the car.
Okay, I'm going in.
Hey, sis, break a leg. That was an amazing audition. You got the part.
You're wearing sweatpants. It's fine.
So that's against the rules, and you can't sit with us. Whatever. Those rules aren't real. They were real that day I wore a vest, because that vest was disgusting. You can't sit with us!
Ew.
Like a fire, big spotlight, such a damn piece of and what you been doing? That's why I
Spell friends, F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Get that shit inside your head. We're just friends, so don't go.
Marco!
Mom? No. Polo!
Marco!
Polo!
Marco!
Polo!
You found me.
Mom, there you are. I almost didn't find you in time.
Thankfully you did.
What would happen if I didn't?
Something really bad, hun. You have to get to school. If you get picked to play, be sure to yell Marco as loud as you can to get found.
I will.
Marco!
Polo!
Ha! I got you.
Jessica, that's not funny. The game is serious.
Oh, lighten up a bit. It was just a joke. No, this can't be happening.
Hey, what's wrong?
My little sister got picked and I didn't find her in time.
Do you know what happened to her?
They took her away. She's gone.
I'm so sorry.
Giselle, please report to the principal's office.
You wanted to see me, Mr. Bates?
Giselle, you've been picked to play.
I can finally see my parents' bank account. Although I don't expect them to make much. We can barely afford the house we live in. What? My parents are millionaires? That means they can buy me my new phone. Hey, Mom. Hey, Dad.
What's up, sweetie?
Can you guys please buy me the new iPhone?
The new iPhone? Are you crazy?
But why?
There's no way we can afford that. Hey, Giselle, what's wrong?
Is it possible for the system to show you the wrong amount of what your parents make?
No, the system is always accurate. Why do you ask?
Well, because it says my parents are millionaires, and they can't even buy me a new phone. We also can barely afford the house we live in.
I think you need to talk with them about it.
Mom, Dad, you guys are millionaires. Why are you living in this crappy house?
I think we should tell her.
Simon says stop putting lipstick on.
Simon says, what? Hey, Mom.
What's up, hun?
Who's Simon, and why is he telling me what to do?
Oh no, it started.
What do you mean, what started?
It's a game. You have to do whatever Simon says. If you don't, something terrible will happen. But be careful, it'll try to trick you.
Yeah, I understand.
Simon says go to school.
I guess I gotta go to school now. Hey, Jessica.
Hey, Giselle.
So what happens when you don't do what Simon says?
Simon says hold up 2 fingers.
We're safe. I'll see you later.
Hey, where's Jessica? She's not in class today.
The game tricked her. She's gone.